Welcome back. The Ministry of Justice, in collaboration with the Justice Coordinating Committee, has organized a workshop in Lokoja, Kogi State. The workshop, which was held at the Government House, Lokoja, and declared open by the State Governor, Yahaya Bello, represented by the Deputy, Edward Onoja, had in attendance police officers, lawyers, and justice. The representative of the Attorney General of the Federation, Tedy Agba, charged participants to fully participate in all sessions in order to achieve the designed aims, that is to address human rights abuse, maltreatment of suspects at police station and detention facilities, violation of the provision of the Constitution as well as other international human rights instruments, and called for total collaboration of stakeholders.
The national policy on justice is therefore the fulcrum of our collaboration towards addressing the various challenges militating against the justice system, and defines its principles, integrity, security, and accountability. The Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015 and its reform of criminal justice administration provided a broad legal framework for more effective cross-sector collaboration and oversight between and among agencies in the administration of criminal justice and the protection of the rights of citizens.
Agba commended the Kogi State government for their hospitality and security consciousness. The keynote speaker said, for speedy dispensation of justice, synergy among role players is key, saying without such, the whole approach to justice system will be slow.
At each level of government, whether federal or state, it's not run by a single institution. Rather, it is a collection of institutions. Now that is a challenge, because for us to achieve the objective of speedy dispensation of justice, fair dispensation of justice, respect for the rule of law and human rights, you will need leadership. So what this policy on justice has done is to provide a framework where our various levels of government and our various heads of institutions can act collectively towards a common objective.
Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello, represented by his deputy Edward Onoja, observed that the unconsciousness delays in disposing of criminal matters in the court is caused by disregard or ignorance of due process in the arrest, detention, bail and trial of accused persons. He therefore hoped the workshop will enhance the ability to eradicate same in their individuals and joint capacities.
I am one of those leaders who believe that zero tolerance for crimes and criminality is at the heart of all efforts to secure the lives and properties of Nigerians. We practice it religiously here in Kogi State. Hence, our long-running status as one of the safest states in the country today. It is well known to criminals and other sponsors that our government is committed to preventing crimes, and when crimes do happen, despite our efforts, that we do not relent in tracking down and punishing the perpetrators to the full extent of the law. In spite of our zeal to rid our society of antisocial and harmful elements, we acknowledge that adherence to due process is critical to building a criminal justice system that deters crime, not just because it punishes criminals, but also because it deters them by guaranteeing fair and lawful treatment unto all under the law. The North Central is the only geopolitical zone that is yet to produce a precedent Vice President of Nigeria under any democratic dispensation. Unfortunately, despite our best efforts, it has become apparent that 2023 will not be the year in which we can remedy that. What we can do, however, is to ensure that the North Central is better governed in all aspects than any other part of this country, and an efficient criminal justice system that habitually follows due process is a huge part of that.
The workshop is centered on training modalities and framework for coordinated implementation of the Section 9, subsection 33 and 34 of CAP Core Administration of Criminal Justice of 2015 in Nigeria.